They are the trendsetters. In other words, they show people, they desire what is unseen. They manifest it so that those ones that cannot desire in the unseen must first see it and desire what they see. Are you with me? Amen. You have to choose which one are you. Do you desire what is unseen or do you desire what is seen? Are you getting the point? You must seek out that expression. I have long sought out that expression. I can tell you with great accuracy. I can tell you that the things I always seek out are the things that are not in existence around me. Everything. You see the way I build ministry. Go to 10 churches in the township. Look for up to 50 churches. And ask yourself, have you ever seen me model anything they are doing? Have you ever seen me do what has been done around? I have intentionally gone to isolate myself to bring out a difference. Even my style of preaching. I am aware of the preaching that is being given to the land. I have sought it. I have investigated it. I have trafficked it enough for me to say it's not working. Are you with me? I want you to pray for what? Divine acceleration. God, give me something that I will move fast in. Something that I will move fast in. We've been fasting and praying for divine, what is this? Acceleration in the area of ministry and finances. The Lord said to me something when I woke up today. He says to me, every glory in the area of finances is soon to be replaced. You know what does that mean? It means if I thought there's somebody that gave bigger, God is about to soon bring someone that will give much bigger. Amen. If the person does not rise among us, that person will fall from the sky. Amen. I told us of a parable that I want to speak to you. There was a man who was digging for diamond in the land in Kimel. Staying in one place, digging for diamond, and he couldn't find not even a small piece. And then he shot a bird saying, I want to eat this bird. So while he was cleaning the bird, preparing to eat the bird, in the crop of the bird, while he was cleaning, he found a diamond. Because when God wants to provide for you, if you don't find it around you, no matter how hard you are working and how hard you are digging, you will call forth a bird from afar. There is a bird coming from afar for all your labors, and it is bringing along answers to your prayers.